Hi, my name is Miguel Pescador. I'm a senior in Lynwood High School, and this course has definitely developed skills that are related to engineering, such as hands-on collaborating and communication. My favorite part about this POTW is definitely building and designing robots, machines, and collaborating with others. This class has also helped me communicate with others, and it definitely makes you step out of your comfort zone, being able to present about your projects. I recommend this class for anybody that really likes to do hands-on experience, as it really enhances your creativity, utilizes your problem-solving skills. My career goals are definitely to continue doing engineering in college, doing a 4-year UC or Cal States. Definitely want to enroll in mechanical engineering, and this POTW has definitely led me closer steps to achieve that.
I've been in the engineering field for like 4 years now. The main thing that I enjoy about it is coding and designing, actually being able to make my designs and robots work. I actually do plan on pursuing a career in computer science or software engineering. This course has helped me plan that because I really enjoy the coding that we do in class, and I actually like it.
The students learn skills like hard technical skills, like the science behind a lot of the things that real world engineers do, and the math that's used to apply that science. And then they get to work through the problem solving engineering process over and over again to go from question or problem to eventual solution. One of the coolest things is seeing a 9th grader come in who's maybe unsure of themselves, not as confident in their abilities, and then they're able to have some successes, and also learn from some mistakes throughout their time here. They just grow in their ability to work through complex problems and not get rattled, and really get that maturity that comes with that experience, and then be able to communicate what they've learned at the end, because we do a fair amount of that as well. And that's really, for me, that growth and that maturity that we see in those students by the end is just awesome.